So, what the heck are you doing here, Lanny? Well, I wanted to play with this old board game I have, but it needs electronic dice. Well, it doesn't need electronic dice, but it had electronic dice. So I ordered a small electronic dice kit for like $2, I think. It was cheap. It was like, holy crap, how could I not? And it even comes with like a little Pyrex thing, so I thought we would build that. Really quick and easy, hopefully. Maybe not. It's a pretty nice little kit, though. You can see it's got all the things on it. The first thing we're gonna have to do is put all the thingies in, and then we'll have to get it soldered. But it's a pretty cute little kit. Comes with the LEDs you'll need to make your grid, along with your battery holder and all that good stuff. So, I think it's got two sides that want to be soldered on, so I think we should do... So it's probably going to be easier if I do all these littler components. So some of these are going to matter less than others which way they go. Yeah, this is one of those things I kind of always wanted to do, but never really had the opportunity as a kid or anything. I finally got a new solder tip as well. It's not the greatest though. Yeah. As you can tell, there's a good reason why I needed to do this. I suck at soldering. I need some practice. My soldering iron's really pretty old because I stole it from my friend's dad. Shh, don't tell him. And yeah. So the screw thing to like tighten the new tip on won't open up. Yeah, because I think the main trick is you want to heat up the pin. Boom. Oh yeah, make sure that's on the offs. So let's go to the next spot and we'll put the battery component in. So the plus terminal, boom, and the negative terminal, boom. But yeah, this is practice because I want to do a bigger kit, a power regulator kit, but I also want to do... Son of a... Fix my 360, my Xbox. So, look forward to those videos in the future. So let's trace what component we want next. So let's go with the microcontroller. So what way does this want to go in, I wonder? Well, you know what? It's got a way to tell us. See, it's got a little indentation. So it's a pretty smart little kit if you pay attention. Boom. I'm pretty excited. I know, you can just hear the excitement in my voice, can't you?
Oh, that's not very good. Gotta make sure they're not connected. Just can't get... My tip is too big. It's my fault. Let's do the resistor next. The resistor doesn't matter what way you put it in. It just matters that it gets in there. But if you have multiples in your project, you might want to put them the same way. Damn it, kid, you're not supposed to do that. It's a bad kitty. It's a bad kitty. Stop it, kitty. Totally stopped because it wasn't, you know, because I told it, not because it was done. And bend it out just a little bit. Tends to kind of help. Drink significantly less caffeine when you do this. There we go. The next component would be our transistor, and it also has a nice little shape to help guide us. And I think we also want to bend it out just a little bit. Even better idea, we'll put the capacitor in last. This part's got a little piece of tape. And it wants to connect right back to here. I'm pretty sure. Okay, really long wires though. Who are we kidding? So I'm probably doing this wrong. That's pretty big. Just try to have that and put it over here. There we go. Our LEDs. So, because they also seem to have a circle and square. So the circle appears to be the negative and the square appears to be the positive. So, let's bend all these back like we did earlier. And then hopefully we can just solder them all in one go. They've got these slightly shaved off, so you can kind of tell. That or I'm making this up and I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh. I guess we should have done the LEDs first. So we gotta... Talk about a fail. Just gotta solder and pull. Oh well. regret is one of those things you can't have until you make a mistake. So... They're not the best snips for this job. But as you can see, we're pretty well done. Oh, okay, good. It gives you, they give you an extra LED apparently. I think that's all we needed, right? 9? Yeah, that looks great. So now we gotta figure out how the capacitor goes. I don't think we have too much worry of blowing ourselves up. Alright, so that is the right way. So let's solder this bad boy in. We're gonna keep the leads on though. Hey cat, gotta go. I don't have any bottle caps, you stole them.
Cue that meme several days later. Because I had the batteries, but my kitten stole the batteries. Because every day she steals bottle caps from me, and I had the batteries and taped up. And she stole them thinking it was a bottle cap. So yeah, I got new batteries and then it still wasn't working because we broke the heck out of this thing. So I had to take some of the leads that we cut off of the components here, and I used those as a new lead that I just soldered in place fast. And now it works. Great cameraman work. Let's see, 2. There, so I'll finish putting these on. It's pretty easy. You just put the screw in on the other side and twist. I'm sure you can all figure that out. I don't know, you guys were all rolled a pretty low crit, maybe not. Oh, 3! Ooh! Aww. Stacks. Explosion. That's cool. It's got a bit of a breathing effect while you're waiting in between. Woom, 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 woom. Flip it. Roll. 3. Takes a while for that to kick in too, actually. Oh, there it goes.
Oh! Massive hit. I don't know how well you can just... Yeah, you gotta tip it pretty good all the way. Seizure. So yeah, I cleaned it up a bit. And now it looks gorgeous. And I gotta say, this was a pretty fun little kit. I don't know, I had fun with it. I learned things about soldering more so than electronics, but for a first or secondary kit, it's pretty cool. So if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to try to do one of these kits like once a week or so. Get my electronical building skills up. This is all one kit though, that's why I was kind of got this one's to practice. But this is one of those like LM317 power modulator thingies, so it's a bit more advanced, baby. But it's a really nice board, and I'm kind of excited to do it, so be sure to look for that in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to help this channel out so I can get more cool kits like this, check us out on Patreon, where we e-beg you for dollars a month. Yeah. We're also making a video game, so there's updates and stuff about that coming out soon, so yeah. Very cool. Very, very cool. I guess I could show it off on the on-screen effects. Boom. This pleases me.